If you're looking to export high-quality videos for TikTok using Premiere Pro, here's how to do it step by step. Start by making sure everything you want to export is selected on your timeline. Then, switch to the Export tab at the top of the interface. The first step is naming your file. Click the File Name field and choose where you want to save the exported video. This keeps your projects organized, especially when you're working with multiple files. Next, under Format, select H.264, which is optimized for social media platforms. Now, expand the Video tab. Make sure the basic video settings match TikTok's requirements. The frame size should be set to 1080 by 1920 for vertical video. If the dimensions are incorrect, uncheck the link icon and adjust the values. Confirm the frame rate matches your sequence settings, usually 30 FPS. If needed, you can uncheck the box to manually adjust it. The field order should be progressive and the aspect ratio set to square pixels. This ensures the video displays correctly on TikTok. Next, enable render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality to maintain the best possible clarity. Under encoding settings, select hardware encoding if your system supports it. This speeds up the export process. For profile, choose high and set the level to 4.2. For bitrate settings, switch to CBR and set the target bitrate to 30 megabits per second. This keeps the video quality consistent without making the file size unnecessarily large. Once everything looks good, hit export. Your video will be ready to upload to TikTok in just a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.